Let's come back. So we're seeing here what we're seeing, and what's the teacher? So the Rebbe explains, we go back to our studying. This is a tzaddik. He went through in his life. Don't ask what he went through. They tested him, so much testing, he still faith in Hashem. They took from him everything away. His faith in Hashem. His faith in Hashem. And it's not enough. He will go, he will find all kinds of broken people. Everybody has a problem. He has time to them. He will speak to them. A boy has to do whatever in his, whatever he could do to find their children, to marry them. Then there are fights. I mean, every couple has, she says day, he says night. He says night, he says day. Everybody, every couple has to be armed. But the tzaddik, he teaches such a way, giving, he tells all, he tells him, and he makes shalom bayis. He will do everything in his power to do shalom bayis. Everything in his power, you don't you have problems with children, he will do everything. And he deals with people, with everybody. This is called a tzaddik. This is a tzaddik. We all, do me a favor, I have my own problems, leave me alone, get out of here. And leave me alone, I wish I could. A tzaddik would always be, his door will be open for public, will always. And the people is very, very hard to deal. I've got it 70 years, and I can tell you what people are. People, as more you do him a favor, the more stones will throw you. You forget that when you was in such a bad state, you wanted to commit suicide, and if not this person that spoke with you and explained you how life is, you know, nobody has it better, Donald Trump, he's not licking ISIS, he also has his problems. I wish I have it. I wish everybody in this world has problems. And this person is a good teacher. Everybody, you help. All the weakest people he helps. Not that they are a good mind, he's also helped, but they have everybody. This calls a good malam. This calls a tzaddik. Now, here comes in the chassidus and the Mishnah B'Shavit. Mishnah B'Shavit was, do me a favor, you have to learn, and you go down, you're a painter, go to the painters, there are shoemakers down, the shoemakers, and it was a very bad time for Klal Yisrael. It was, everyone was touched in his faith, because there was so much Mashiach Sheker, you didn't know what's true, what's not. You're confused, a person, I don't know what. Here came the Baal Shem Tov HaKodesh, and he was Moisei Nefesh, that all the Jews are children of Hashem, no such a thing, he's more, he's not. He was a good teacher, he knew how to elevate each neshama, each individual. Then you're the worst, he made for them, you're the biggest tzaddik. How? Let me tell you, he's the worst, he did so many sins. But Baruch Hashem is coming in, he's putting out tefillin now, you know what's greatness is in heaven, and like this he built up. And sure enough, for a short time, he was bringing back thousands and hundreds of thousands of people back to Hashem. What? It was chasing them away. Listen, you're not alone, you don't know how to learn, you don't belong in Shul. And this we have on Machloikes in the Gemara brings, Rav Gamliel was teaching, if the outside is not like the inside, go away. It used to be from the outside and saying like the inside or the outside. No, he didn't let in most of the people. Be honest with you. We are not so honest. So he didn't. Then they took Berselab ben Azariah, he opened the yeshiva. Everybody whoever comes, should come in. Whoever comes in, regardless. So the Mohorosh says, the body, yes, some say 400 benches, some say 700 benches. One shot, you open the door. He was the president, before Shimon he didn't take only the best one, with the heart is the same like the inside, like the outside, and the inside. As the Buddha was of Shimon before he was asking to the questions, and he was going, and they push away so they take him in a bench, could go in, the whole benches could go in 100 people. So if more than 400 people, 400 benches, it means that each bench is 100 students, no? How many? 100 times 400, no? Huh? 40,000 in one shop. The other said, no, 700 benches, 70,000 people in one shop. So Rabbi Miebnal had Chalisha Sadas. Maybe I didn't let people learn Torah. So he came in doing, no, the empty heads of an empty house. Nothing. The Mohorosh says, no, he wanted to comfort them that he didn't do wrong, but he did wrong. So a good Rebbe, that came to Baal Shem Tov, to elevate all those people was chasing away. A good Melamed, let's go in class. What's a good Melamed? No such a thing. This gets 100 and this gets a 0. Everybody's 100. Everybody's 100. And I will do everything in my power. The weakest child, I will bring him up. I will learn him private. I will do everything in my power to help him out. Never knock down a person. Never knock down a child. Your head is a pumpkin. That would be in Bernices, every children. Here the pumpkin head, here the pumpkin. You knock down a person. No such a thing. That's the main point of Chassidus. Now, I'm not trying now to knock down the literature world, because from Aleph Beit till the Bar Mitzvah, I was learning all in the literature yeshiva, and I saw a lot of Goyim there, and then I learned 5 years about Moshe Feinstein, all my life, only in the literature yeshivas. I remember still the Baron Kotler's father-in-law. Baron Kotler's father-in-law, I remember. This is Alma Melzer. And we trying to bring what's a Chassidus, what Baal Shem Tov is involved in this world. Later on, became problems. Not everybody is Baal Shem Tov. Shem Tov had the biggest Talmidim, the Talmidim had Talmidim, and the Maggid from Bezrija had Talmidim. But later on, became a business, whole business. Where you saw such a thing, they're hating each other, to kill each other, what's going on? That's what Shem Tov was involved in this world, to be hateless. This Chassidus hate this Chassidim, and this Chassidim hate this Chassidim, and now became already between the Litvakers. You should see all the newspapers, they have the same pictures like the rabbis. He puts on Hanukkah candles, he has, and between them they have already fights. What's going on?